G'day guys, welcome to Sumo's Projects and welcome to this week's video. This week we're going to have a little bit of a look into time management and how busy people get in life and in relation to the time they have spare after their work commitments to be able to go and enjoy their hobbies. As you know, mine is in the workshop, outside, doing something, bit of maintenance, whatever. I think we all get busy in life, so if this is the first time you viewed Sumo's Projects, subscribe if you like, and maybe share the video, hit the notification bell, do all those wonderful things, and I'll be back throughout the video to have a bit of a chat to you. I presume if you're anything like me or my lifestyle, I work full time, put in a few hours a week, probably up to 60 sometimes, and still find time on weekends to be able to enjoy my hobby, which you see me doing on my videos most of the time, and I love it. I wouldn't swap it. But and also have a lot of time for my partner. We tend to do a lot, go on holidays, we maintain a household, and you know, all the stuff that most guys out there would do as well. So it's challenging at the best of times, but you know, if something puts a smile on your face and you see a result, you don't mind doing it. I really tend to think that time management is one of the most important things we're, you know, set to challenge in life. With the mere fact people have to get up early and do a day's work, and you know, and incorporate that into perhaps raising children and fitting in hobbies and doing all sorts of home maintenance projects, and in between have a holiday, travel a little bit. I find this is a good calmer mix to have a workshop or have some sort of recreational outlet where you can get your hands dirty and you can, you know, make a mistake in building something and then learn from it. That's very healthy. And in particular, I think challenging one's own intelligence and you know, growing on the knowledge that you already have currently, and then just merely expanding on it from learning by doing. It tends to be a really nice journey if you go about it this way. So there you go guys, that's a little bit of a snapshot of what I do in my weekend, spare time, work life, life with your partner, family, whatever. You know, the old adage is you pat my back, or you scratch my back, I'll scratch yours, and I'll keep doing that with the people I'm involved with. And you know, as I always say, I enjoy your comments and I always write back to you. This video, it's just a look from afar to see what's inside the bubble of life, and you know, you make your own judgment on what you see. Alright guys, I'll be back. I've got a lot of videos this year. I've got to make some miter saw station, a fence for me drill press. I'm going to jig out and deck out my Craig router table. So I've got a fair bit of stuff and some builds for home, and keep along with the journey, and let's keep rocking and rolling. Catch ya.